have this monitor here. It's a Samsung. I'll overlay the model details on the screen now. And for some time the height of this thing has bothered me. It's got a tilt adjustment, sort of like that, but there's no up and down adjustment, and for my height and my eyes and whatnot, yeah, it's just been bothering me for some time. So I'm going to try and drop this down. What I've worked out so far is got these first of all, I've got these beauty covers. They're basically just something like that. So these just pop off from one screw from one of the sides. Anyway, you just take those off, and then you're presented with these screws. Take these screws out, I can get that off. So after a bit of a study, what I think I can do is cut that off there, or cut that off so that'll separate. We can throw that bottom part away, and then I'm hoping that I can then drop this down, but on this side, not this side. So that'll come down to there, and hopefully these holes here, that one, it's going to line up with the holes down here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go out to the garage, cut that off, and then I'll be back. Okay, that's what we've got now. We've got this mounted on this side instead of that side, and let's go and do a test fit. Let me go and get the monitor. Well, there you have it. I've dropped this down, oh, that much. Well, this much. That's the amount that I've chopped off, and I shaved a little, just a little bit more off so it can clear some things down here. So there you have it. There's only 2 screws holding this up at the moment, and the screws that I did use, there's 2 of them coming in from the other side that way, and they are the original screws. Now I'm not happy with just 2 screws, since there's a lot of leverage on that screen, and so what I'm going to do is try and bore a hole straight through there somewhere. Doesn't matter if it's on the side, as long as it's sort of down a little here. I can't put it up here because of this plate sliding in from the monitor, so it's got to go down here somewhere. I could even bore a hole straight through that, but the further I can come down the better. I can't come down much, but anyway, 3 screws will be better than 2. And I've just taken this to my workstation desk, and I'm quite happy with that height. As far as the beauty covers go, I'm not going to worry about them. Yeah. Alright, so there's my extra screw nut washer. Probably should put a lock washer of some type in there, but this is just on a computer desk, it's going to be fine. And these 2 screws coming up underneath and in. Let me do that.